Hi guys, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove yellow border in Windows 10 and fix this annoying screen issue quickly. Step 1. Close any applications that might conflict with Windows. This includes programs that record your screen, like OBS or the screen recording feature in Discord. Closing these apps prevents them from causing the yellow border to appear. Step 2. Press the Start menu, type Run in the search bar, and open the Run application. The Run box lets you access advanced system tools quickly, which we will need in the next steps. Step 3. Type MSCONFIG into the Run box and press Enter. This opens the system configuration window, where you can manage which programs and services run on your PC. Step 4. Go to the Services tab at the top of the system configuration window. Check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services, then click Disable All. This stops third-party programs from running in the background, which could be causing the yellow border. Step 5. Click Apply and then OK and restart your computer. Restarting your PC ensures that the changes take effect, and after the reboot, the yellow border should be gone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.